Hey everybody, it's me, Sissy. Today I'm back with a Dollar Tree haul, and I've got one angry dog down here because this is my baby Dumpling. This is Apple Dumpling. She's a rescue dog we got from our local animal shelter. And her's a sweet loving girl. Her loves her mama, but her's a little bit shy. But anyway, stay tuned and see what we got at Dollar Tree this week. Okay, come on, good girl. There we go. So, let's start this off with a favorite thing that I found this week, and I just love it. It is this wall decal. Let me see if it'll focus in on it. Of the llama, what's it say? No llama, no drama. That is so cool. I love it. I've got to figure out somewhere to put this. I think I'm going to put it in my craft room, but this is my favorite thing. This is so cool. I love it. And I've got a whole bunch of stuff, all kind of different stuff. We're all over the board this week. Crafts and food and home stuff. But anyway, let's see. I got these two great signs. And these are great Halloween decor. I don't know if you can see them. They both say beware. One has a black background. One has a white background, but I didn't get them for Halloween. I'm going to want to use these. These would make great signs to do, you know, farmhouse signs. It's a great size, so I got those. And I just got all kind of stuff. I got some of these Elmer glue pens. I'm going to be doing some paper crafts, so I'm going to try to use those. And I got me a little pair of reading glasses. I have these everywhere. And they're really good. They go all the way up to 3.25. They have lots of designs, but this is my favorite one, so I get those. And here in the South, we've been having a lot of rain. Every time I park my car, somehow ants get in my car, so I've got a little ant bait put under the seat. Take care of those little pesky ants. I hate to spray the ant spray in my car because it leaves that smell. Ugh. But let's see. Oh, then I got these great florals. Aren't these so pretty? Now I wish I had got two of each color instead of one, but I think I'm going to do a little grapevine wreath with these. So I got the purple, the mustard yellow, a burgundy, and then a goldy color. Well, a brownish color, but I love those. And we are having the great Labor Day weekend, preparing for a hurricane that may or may not come, Dorian. So I picked up a Halloween candle for my son to have. If the hurricane doesn't come, he still has a cool, spooky candle. Okay. Oh, I got this. This was new. This is the first time I've seen this at Dollar Tree. It's Trail's Best Original Beef Jerky. It's 1 serving per container. 70 calories, 4 grams of carbs. It is not the best thing to do for a keto snack, but I was like, well, I'm going to just have some stuff here just in case the power goes out. It does have some really bad ingredients in it, but you know, it is still, if you're doing lazy keto or lazy low carb, this would work. It's 4 grams per serving, so that would fit in. But it does contain sugar. And yeah, it's got soy in it, soybean oil, soy proteins, and sugars, but it still has 4 grams of carbs, so it'll do in a pinch. And I picked up some pizza crust for my son. He loves those. And then for his hurricane preparedness kit, I got him the Chex Mix. I got the savory cheddar and the bold party blend. And my Dollar Tree had this boxes of the Gordetto's Chex Mix thing. Well, it's not Chex Mix, but it's like Chex Mix, but it's just Gordetto's, which used to be my absolute favorite. So if before low carb, I would have bought a case of it. But anyway, I've got plenty of pork rinds to carry me through the hurricane. But okay, let's move over to this next bag. I picked up all the Pup Pups some new collars. There's another one in here somewhere. I don't see it right now, but these are great. They're $1. I got this one for Dumpy because she's a little bit bigger than my other dogs. And for my little son's dog, Pokey, got him this nice little one with the, these are cat collars, but they have very small necks. So I got this for her, and then for my little Dot Dot Princess, I had to get a pink one. And there's one in here for Peanut, but I have to come across it in a minute. Okay, I got another little piece of artwork to go on my bathroom. That's cute. It says wash, refresh, soothing, quiet, relax, unwind, bath, bubble, soak. That's so cute. I would love to have one of these clawfoot tubs in my bathroom, but I don't. Oh, and this is something new I saw at Dollar Tree, so I picked up a couple of boxes. It's the Secret Body Cleansing Wipes, 15 in a thing, and this is Calm Birch Water. I thought these would be great to throw in my bag. I'm gonna try. It's been so hot I haven't been doing it, but go walk every day. And these are great if when you get to, you know, oh, I gotta run by the store, and you don't want to be all sweaty and stinky. So I'm gonna throw these in my bag. I got 2 boxes of them. That's a great deal, and you can smell it just a little bit. It smells pretty good. So I picked those up. Oh, here's Peanut's collar. I got him a little one with the stripes like the one for Dumpy's. This is a little bit smaller. I got him the medium, and then for Dumpy I got the large. So it's a big difference between those 2 sizes. You wouldn't think it would be that much difference, but anyway. That's a good deal for $1 because they're like $5 or $6 if you buy them at Walmart. I had to get a baby lock for Mama. She's kind of plundering, and I'm scared that she's going to get in stuff, so and hurt herself. So I got a baby lock. We're going to try that out. They're very expensive at Walmart, so but this is $1. I bought another one. I tried it out. It works pretty good, so I'm going to try that. And then I'm trying to get my son to take some vitamins and stuff, so I got him a pill keeper so he can keep track of what he's taking. I bought a few little paint brushes for some arts and craftsy stuff. And I got these cute stickers, the leaves and the pumpkins. I thought those would be cute, especially with Halloween. You can use them for Halloween and Thanksgiving. And I got some of these great little organizing essentials collapsible storage containers. These are good. These are 11 by 11, but they're the shorter ones. They're only 8 inches tall. I'm gonna try to organize some stuff in my bathroom. Is your bathroom like mine? I don't know why I have like 10 bottles of shampoo or conditioner, and one bottle's open and you open another bottle. Why? Why do I have 10 half-empty bottles? But anyway, we'll try to organize it all of it and promise that we're going to use up what we have before we buy anything new. That's famous last words. But got my son some gummy bears so he can eat gummy bears during the hurricane. And some vanilla frosting for his mug cakes, which he's still going through the ones because excuse me. Okay. Oh, I got some great little meal prep storage containers. I'm gonna start trying to do meal prep, get back strong on the keto train, and lose some weight, but I'll talk about that later. I picked up some of the Bolero. Now, Bolero, I've said in my other videos, not my favorite thing. I don't like their bath bombs. I don't like their lotion or their soap. It doesn't have any smell. But I did like the facial mist, which I've never been able to find again since that time I hauled 2 bottles of it. I can't find any more of it. But they did have this Hydra Mist Coconut Water Face Wash, so I thought I would give that a try and see how I like that. And let's see, I picked up some peanut butter for Mama. This is the MC Trader. She kind of likes that. My son said it had a good flavor, so I got that. And I got, of course, my Fabuloso I love this one with the apple. I tried the lemon and it's good, but I went back to my old favorite. And y'all, I know the vitamins probably at Dollar Tree are not the best in the world, but I picked up some of this hair, skin, and nails to give it a try. I'm trying to see what was in it, but where's those glasses? Oh, well, I can't find my glasses right now, but it's biotin, so maybe it'll help a little bit. I got my eczema has been under control so good, but I've got a little breakout right here in the corner of my nose and one little spot up here, so I'm going to try to add this to my skincare regimen and see if that helps. And y'all picked up some more of my little socks because, you know, they're good. I mean, you get 3 pairs for $1. They don't last that long, so I always buy extra. And I picked up this cute Halloween sign. This is for a DIY because I don't have a handsome devil here because I am single. No. But anyway, it's cute. It's a great shape. That's a really great shape for a sign. So I picked those up for some DIYs. And I got another pack of stickers. There you go. And I thought, oh, here's my mom's coffee. She loves this instant coffee, and I give her the decaf. Try to get her to sleep a little bit. And I picked her up some Diet Cola, because you know my mama loves her Diet Cola because she can burp 100,000 times. But anyway, she's asleep right now. She wasn't feeling real good today. So, but anyway, y'all, that's my really quick Dollar Tree haul. I didn't really buy a whole lot. As I said, there may be a hurricane coming. It is a holiday weekend, and I'm kicking myself because I didn't pick up any water. Then I went and bought groceries, and Walmart was completely out of water. So if I get a chance, I'm gonna run out today and pick up a couple of cases of water just in case. But anyway, y'all have a great day. Have a great Labor Day weekend. If you're in the path of the Hurricane Dorian, doesn't know where it's going, what it's doing, but if you're anywhere in the path of it, be safe. Remember, Sissy can do it. You can do it too. Y'all have a great day. Bye.